English Galician. I had.
tiña,
Master the past of to have. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today, you and I will master the English Galician past of to have, think, I had.
tiña,
And all its friends. Buckle up, sip something cozy, and smile. Your goal today. By the end, you can say every past form naturally and know when to use them. I had.
tiña,
You had, singular, informal.
tiñas,
He had, completed action.
el tivo,
She had, ongoing past.
la tiña,
It had.
tiña,
We had.
tiñamos,
You had, plural.
vos tiñades,
They had.
eles tiñan,
Call and response drill. Repeat after me, echo the Galician after the English. I had a bicycle. Say.
tiña,
You had time. Say.
tiñas,
He had the key, one-time event. Say.
el tivo,
She had the tickets. Say.
la tiña,
It had no battery. Say.
non, tiña,
Battery. We had a plan. Say.
tiñamos,
You had umbrellas, plural you. Say.
vos tiñades,
They had a dog. Say.
eles tiñan,
Tiny dialogue. Listen and shadow the lines, do. Keep it playful. A. Yesterday, we had a plan, totally solid. B. Yep.
tiñamos,
A plan, and he had the map.
el tivo,
The map. A. She had the tickets.
la tiña,
The tickets. B. And your phone? It had no charge.
non, tiña,
Battery. A. Come on, you had time.
tiñas,
Time. B. True, and you all had snacks.
vos tiñades,
Snacks. A. In the end, they had luck.
eles tiñan,
Luck. Culture tip. Galicia vibes. A quick nugget while you breathe, do. In Galicia, stories often paint the past gently, ongoing background with
tiña,
slash,
tiñamos,
and single punchy events with forms like
el tivo,
picture sea mist, bagpipes, and a cozy cafe as you say them. Rhythm and pronunciation. Clap with me, keep a steady groove. Clap clap.
tiña, tiñas, tiñamos,
Drop the beat.
vos tiñades, eles tiñan,
One-shot flash.
el tivo,
Completed past. Soft flow again.
la tiña, tiña,
Smile and repeat. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, do. No pressure, just fun. Q1, English. Galician. You had, singular. Answer.
tiñas,
Q2. Which form fits a one-time event for, he had? Answer.
El tivo.
Q3. We had in Galician? Answer.
Tiñamos.
Q4. You had plural? Answer.
Vos tiñades.
Q5. Translate, they had habitual. Answer.
Eles tiña.
Q6. It had no choice, say the core verb. Answer.
Tiña.
Q7. She had ongoing past. Answer.
La tiña.
Challenge plus outro. Ready for a tiny mission, do? Challenge. Say 3 mini stories. 1. I had a bicycle.
Tiña.
2. He had the key.
El tivo.
3. We had time.
Tiñamos.
Sprinkle in, you had.
Tiñas.
Or.
Vos tiñades.
And, they had.
Eles tiña.
For bonus points. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, smile at your progress, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Galician lessons, tips, and tools. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.